Alright, so in the last lecture we started off our new topic about the combinational circuits and the sequential circuits, but we are covering the first part, combinational circuit. We discussed the basic operators like AND, OR, NOT, or XOR, and some identity laws. I'm not going into the details. We studied that how we can define the behavior of a circuit in the form of truth table, and then from the truth table we learned how to construct a Boolean expression, and then how Boolean expression is converted into a circuit, digital circuit. We studied that we can just pick up the term which outputs 1, so x bar dot y here, and then x dot y bar, and then in the end they are ORed together to create a product of some expression. Okay, so this is how we can create a Boolean expression out of a truth table, and with the help of this expression we can construct a corresponding digital circuit.